Hi guys, and welcome back again to my recipe channel. Of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to support by subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And so today's recipe, I'm going to share with you guys on how to prepare coconut rice at home. And remember, it's a dish prepared by cooking white rice in coconut milk, but instead of water. But for my case, I'm going to add in some water. And remember, this recipe is healthy in fats, vitamins, minerals, and also in fiber. And so this is my cream. This is the cream that I'm going to use for today. It's a 1 pack. Hapa naenda kuweka rice. Yeah, this is where I'll be placing my rice after measuring it. And I don't forget with me some vegetable cooking oil and of course water. And that's it guys. So with these simple ingredients, I believe we can now proceed to the next step, whereby I'm going to measure 3 cups of rice. I'm going to show you. So this is my rice bucket, and this is the cup that I normally use for measuring. And so I'm going to measure at 3 cups. I'm going to measure 3 cups of rice. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
Despite preparing this recipe for the first time, oh my god, I just love the final outcome, guys. And let me know if you really tried out this recipe using my steps. Let me know how it came out. Did it turn out the way mine did? For me, I'm going to enjoy this with my family, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Till we meet on the next video.